Yes, twabakira kandi twabatangira bareba ibintu bankore media kuri beyaze nzije nkabujo program nayo mwelato because when beyaze ndikora na Sky Nana though she's not around because she's somewhere are weak health wise, but still we can go on to basakutambura mu beyaze nzije rizanye n'ibintu ekinkwenda tugambeho abantu ba Western Uganda kandi shoje rizana dukora Alpha Music, home of hits. The Gene Studio koze hits zamani nyinji mnonga think basa kuzigamba nkazimarayo. I'll be discussing with one of the producers here nimuza kumureba. So program no mwerato eri ari nkore media umurebe witu we bari kutukuratira we bari kutusubscribinga we bari kutureba we bari kutuhadira kandi tonjana no kushaba ngo yondere kutuhadira mnonga so takadira hari
Inama.
Alpha Music.
Imuka agana masisuka kwenda
Alpha Music.
nagasite
256 inductor. I sign out.
Yes, omurebe witu wankore media ntoyongera kwakira kana kutangira program yerizo yo mwerato ni beyazini zedje ndikora na Sky Nana taruha kuba arwiragwire mu kace so eriza nko kuna na kwanjure turumuntu tuza kugamba music no baso takora hit enkwatagana ya producer no mweshongoze shitere kuberi hakuja ngo kore kirundi iwe nko mweshongoze otakarujoro mukakujo mu studio shitere korati so finally tubia na producer omwe wa mani mnonga naza ko yanjura tinye ndamwanjure cause I respect him kandi muhereze kitimisa kuba he has an influence in Western Uganda's music. Twakwakira umrenyi witu ankore media
kunekira
twakwakira no buturari twakushango wawe
nyendia always
yeah
and bandia always so mano nyenda no shanga Alpha Music ambura no tera kasimu
noza kathereza tukwendera program yerizoba so program yetu ruhane yo mwerato kandi eri ari nkore media so amazina gawe
mazina original
izine byo eri twijera kwitukare
mazina JK is the big boy Korgom Alpha Music Entertainment, Alpha Music Records.
So twine producer wa mani akwetwa JK the big boy Korgom Alpha Music nicho tukwende cyo rizoba akuba tujye mu program ture interview. I think we are together now. JK's ntubanza no kusimba we bare kutwitereza ukahereza akanya kawe kuyita business zawe kambanze nganireho n'abarebe bankore media kambanze nganireho na Beazine n'icingara mamani na kanjigara mamani n'abarebe bitu kandi tukusima abwa influence ningashuweve yoresera industry yitu ya Western Uganda cyashita kwenda amateka no basa kuturabiramo nibwire cyo batandikiraho production kugira ngo murebeye abe nacamati umuntu ari munagamba ino experience kandi cyakugamba nacimanyisa kuba ine mu bumanyire
production Pakistan kaukare like 6 years ago bitu kanta serious na just nkande byanje yukukwe so later iza ba umuntu wanzura mu wa seriousness kamo wa seriousness abinzi ni bamanya
akatuyamba akakora ikintu cy'amani era ntumwibaza
yari Bruno Mushabe
yeah
nwe yambere chance jo nani nkoreka talent yanje no ndimanya now on business eji maziremu ninje no myaka 3
azo myaka 3 business ya production okay etari ya music echikoreka music yonka industry yobwire ne bwine
music kuga ntiri umwana
I get you so ntuna nyenda kuba nico ekitukuzaganiraho ni music not production noja kutwaya ka production akuburi producer towards the end of the show so echinani nshabaje kezi tuganire buri zuba ntwenda tugambe abintu nkabishata umuntu umweshongozi ningashi artist nakora nabasakora ata hit nice cyakubasa kora hit kandi nayetaga chikora hit
hit
basically like let me assume nangunyero necho assume ngani umweshongozi so ninyenda kwija ha studio ngahato kutwa kushanga koreche shongoro canje mkikire kora kinta kijera
cyo kubanza hari ibintu binje bene kora akuba kinkumanya nti hit is not an easy thing
yeah
but icyo ine kora no kuba or prepared then cha kabiri hit ejo Wisdom Studio you come to do a good song, you don't come to do a hit. Beshongozi binji nicyo cyawe yiza na naenda kweshongora ko naenda kweshongara stagugu ile hit.
I get you when you ona kurugumukana ninyendanyije nkore yo ka hit kandi bandi
hit ne kankane cyeshongo cyari mira but when you come in Wisdom Studio kakwatakana na producer mkakwatagana bwen waza kushobora studio no bano burangwe nyine hit no mayanti no asa kushobora studio bonecheshongo kagira ya chine mani
cheshongo
kanje bacha
ukadachi kwa
kushoro kahora riare nyine kintu asimiya so ninga flash so hit hit cyo kubanza iyo neza by time but by first you have to first do a good song n'abantu abokoragana nabo manyi nacyo nation ankuru abana binje bine hit nyinje okwe bituzi byame with songs that can be hits but tibine connections zikire
they have good songs but they are not hit.
They are not hitting why connection cyo kubanza the people you talk to bakutwara radio they don't even their friends don't support them so shangantiye abamo bizubo pushinga cyeshongo kuba hit nkiba kipushingira abantu bingi umuntu omita kubaza pushinga but 1 2 3 baba abantu bingi pushinga twena nakwataho achecha kwataho na DJs ba DJs ba Max ba bato bagakwata ni ba pushing cyakire cyeshongo kirungi
so nyo kurugumuka nyo cyeshongoro nko muntu ari kuba cyandikire ninga hino uncihireho acimpandikire nyo nini ndakire kirungi and most of the times ncijana kaha mu studio enshonga ya kabere binanyenda kugira nti omweshongoruzi akire kwatagana atana produce nyonyije ne cyeshongoro nyine feeling yanje wamfuna so ncija ni mpika studio atondera ta
ati
Teacher,
icyo kubanza ninga nimbasha kucyita ni ati naho lyrics zawe leta zikureta hite yiwe yo kwenda kandi tubasha kuhinduramo tubasha mucyanya so uko niko kwatagana at the end of the day nanye nimbasha kujya na tende na kwata mukace kanye te Master Bruno na akoreki
akwate
oreba ngwiti yakoreki
iti
bito shanti sometimes turi selfish mnonga tokwenda bakuhandikire tokwenda bakutereze tokwenda bakugambeho mbwenu ushanga
ikintu JK's na ninchora oba nimbasa kubanta kachirebe kunkani nchora mu Western Uganda kizibe kitwine kitukwatanisa so nyokunkurugum kandi omweshongozi tine n'ubu nkwebuza ho ndijo ryo music ninyejera kimwe wa JK's nyendo nkorekeshwa nahikaha JK's of course when I understand yes nakora music naba tinku basa kujanti adio music basically kuja muna understand nacho kiruma kubataromwe mu gutanga
abagamba kubi ejeji echo kubanza ni business business ejo niba erimu talents nyingi nko kuhandika okweshongora harimo production harimo kuba presenter nko kori aha nari ya kamera nyuma so buri omwe naba ine cyakora cyaje expecting cha zazi recente tunaenda sente maana studio eji ikakora sente
of course
so Wisdom Studio JK's cyo kubanza na expecting a good song then cha kabiri
sente
kushara receipt
of course and good chance according to what you said echo kubanza a good song so chikwereka sente zabe zaka aza omweshongozo umwe nakujanti ninchura kakwika yashanga JK's yakayo yamushara receipt amutirira cyarasi mayidende ninchura tinkuja ngo nintimanya kubanyo nakuzireho niwe I know you na nabandi abakozereho niwe nimbasa kuba ndagambere nabo ataho enkwatagana ya producer no mweshongozi yabe ya sente yonkati yabe gukora music
kandi kindi kangambere sometimes nobo akompeza sentence ninga nyingi endere yo kwa approaching am producer nawe ni endere yakore yakutwariza nobo akwizana ntwareta nimbasha gukora ko muntu w'intwarata endere yo wankwatamu arono muntu ukora busha bitu nkamtera ki
hit
kandi odi akampeza millionaire atine hit wacha so endere yo kwata mu producer endere yo gamba nawe endere yo kwatagana negotiation with you and most important on studio is listening and bringing up what you have then you sing.
So mure bitu wakore media we bari kubo cyatambura nito tubyo umwera atowe na Beazene ZJ turumuntu tutambuza na JK is the beat boy ori kamera na Asman so JK is nyonisha naheza kureta idea yanje ntwenda kwikari producer kuba hari yuba producer ko bari abo inspiring araba kureberaho haruha biwashandira mu industry already you've put there something ikibatakatiye cause it to get ground producer yeza kwakira umweshongozi wenka producer kire gukora ki
producer kwakira cyesho
yakira umweshongozi mu studio producer we ashikire gukora ki kureka ngo at least we no mweshongozi biya yo good work
Echo kubanza I think I'm one of the funniest producers.
Yeah,
I'm very funny in bani sasabesho.
I know you.
So ekintu kusinga kukora riya romweshongozi indere yiyezamwe ndonda mkwata miza nyigire nimbanza nteka hembera nunzi nareba yaremerayo na inzira wayo season ngirari na ndebya serious na nya focusing ariki business. So sometimes weja niteka ho environment studio free waza kushashura icyo kushashura cyereke batwiza mu studio no basakoze kinatwe kinabikiri aha toilet wano indamizi ntwasa kutuma umuntu akora ki mbeno reba ngwe mbera erioke
umwishongozi wa feeling at home like a feeling ngu ahari no
so oshana nti umuntu yakora ki ya feeling at home kandi umugambira n'amazina gawe aho kuba nyowe umuntu yiza na nama yangu ni DJ Case of course.
Yeah.
But harengere inda gambira mizina ryanje ni ukabura ngo iriya rebafuna ka respect. So ni ngambira amazina ganje ni DJ Case akwakira bacenga waza kureba boss wanje hariya hamwe ni nagambira ngo noza kuri DJ Case but nyowe personal nine kugira ngo ni DJ Case nakwakira
agoriya nabasa akuba binji kuri no bahurira izina
ata producer nakwiza usitame mugambe then mbena tanke te
atandika ko
takwenda no
atinda birabo
nareba ba upcoming no and me personally ni respecting amnonga ba upcoming kirabe shongo zakoze ya top how kuba the upcoming the people who are ekigamba upcoming is somebody who is next how kuba oriya nabana akora ki na rugaho then tureta
like any other societies, like any other business, people come, people serve, people go. So hati upcoming in work over the next step.
So really industry really ineku respecting amnonga ba upcoming. How kuba hati industry ite ambara amnonga we have failed to respect upcomings how kuba go yiza no studio no bano mureba nkabusha yaza radio no bano reba riya atobuna kumarubwire. We focus more on people who are already doing what trending, people who are already having YouTube subscribers,
followers
binji. So abana abatu tukora ki bineza 100 likes Facebook na tera 100 likes ashemerwa, but we don't push them. That is a problem. I've worked with a lot of managers, different managers. I've worked with radio presenters. So I make them friends. So Oshana tina pushing Rasta Dog Kankai high Nekuba. So really the change nyeka, but personally nimbasabya ninye boss. Manya nimbasabya ninye boss, but hariho abantu abo gukora ki abo pushing nico bakweta together ni natero a cruise natero a radio west natero a nine ato shanga sometimes we utakozere bunywa shanga tatu wa million ngikomo muchile sintejo but when I have you I can get an interview for Rasta Dog and I'm very sure you will host him.
Oh wow, so abarevitu bankore media we shall bring for you Rasta Dog, our star now. By the way, yesterday umuhanditi witu bankore media tirote Rasta Dog is the best artist. I don't think kumanya art tandikire ngantu ija kukiganira with
wagamba best artist mention and he deserves it because he has not been sleeping, he has to run management so he deserves it because when you're hard working really you're doing and honestly abeshongos abanyoni bakora munongesha heza in this period wangambira babiri
ningamba tipo na Rasta Dog
so kandi bona
of course tikujangu ni nchigamba just cause I'm in their home cause we follow them to nabanta ground into za ground one ujukaje ni interact forward in some of the things ninge umuntu nka media I'm sharing but I need Rasta Dog intoke Rasta Dog wana omwenda no kumwiya kunka muntu warana kuguzecho chancho manisa ngo ni waringa ground. But we really appreciate we bari gukora Rasta Dog akahika hari kana Rasta Dog yibari gukora twantugumiza yesu twakatamu kunkato atukirya kintu kitu cha artists ba Western Uganda ne babasa gukora bata funa hits nyingi akuba ni 2020 like tushange nko mukwezi kumwe tune mu hits nkini ati kuchira kushanga nkine hit emwe niyo rimwe netera 2 months 3 months 5 months omu Eastern na Central goshanga bashuze ibyishongoro nkabe nabyo nabikora
ati
so we don't know what is our problem.
Where should we sort our first sort the funds ba fani bitu nabo be think manyoba the kind of music they listen to obani kadongo kam obani chi think man but every time and we try to push something we are trying to need to tweak, not that we are bringing quality all the time.
Yeah.
So shana tubafana bitu batujajinga munonga kuchira what we have already on the table. But if they appreciate what we have, need to garuka mama kugira next time ati let me do what abantu bankunda kankoreki umushongozi naza stage bamutera amabara ati kandi ekishongo kirungi.
Yeah,
yes,
we have good songs,
but because they want an artist like Rasta Dog, nibakwitiza Rasta Dog akoreki
baze bachite
still upcoming bakoreki so ni change. But for the fans, that case they have to receive us really, so that they support us. Then back to the artists, hit songs just echokubanza, you need to have a good management or a good way of managing yourself. It is not a must that you have to have a management, but if you have a management, have a very good management. Kabiri, discipline. Abeshongozi ba discipline. In fact, kamba gambe
enjesho zabo tinungi.
So ekintecho nacho abeshongozi babore discipline no muntu nana areba oramsya abantu, you know, but not all of them. Abakubagayi wagenda oramsya abantu norwara corona. So really it is all about
konka kahayi ni katambura.
Lena kahayi katambura. Really wagaruka mu muntu nana nafuna.
Of course, wagamba chintecho nimbani mchenga. Cause mu industry nyowe ndimuni mpsyo mwaka. Konka nani ndeba hanta ndimuni mpikani hantira. Natize myaka yanjye. Nico kimwe ekindi muni ndeba Rasta Dog obwiro buyamara. Twe itantu atagana ya JKs. Wagamba kintu cyaba fans kugira ngo baturu receiving. Nyoni ndeba ground ba fans bari muni bakira munonga bindi brand. Ni bakira brand. So umwishongozi ninga artist wena akuba general nangenda tubakwaterana bo mwishongozi bo muzani aba actor bona tubakwaterana. Akwa bari muni ba following the brand abe ba fans. Umwishongozi ninga artist nabasa gukora ata brand kwata.
Echo kubanza brand ejo eri nugambaho omuntu nafuka brand yaza echo kubanza atandika kufuna fan base. Yafuna fan base nabari brand abo ateshe tukuba kukagira ngo ati nigekeze brand brand is built, so it is built with the fans. Tumanisa fan ni brand beyongera fan base neyongera, so eshanga tatu brand yakoreki yashitama mukare ati reno shanti is a full brand itakozeki ani ba fans.
Akubanko kuwa wagambere mune bare umuntu abamwe na presenters na ba fans bagenda bakureba omuntu ine following ya man mwana ayimuka za Facebook kwa scrolling arukoronda umwishongoza ine following ya man abani we yakurate hati nyoni mbasa ndakombeka brand mukajisi ya revenge yinkwenda mwanye karebe
cyo kubanza wena connecting n'abantu bari mu industry sinantu bitaba stakeholders ninga abantu bari mu kintu ba DJs, presenters, radios, so abantu abo babafuna ukareta enshonga zawe ntinashobora no that is the big deal, to have connection. Either you have a management and have connections. Kuba kinagambya Rasta Dog takumanya nenjire ya ikire para
chemanya serious
investment bamwache, so takumanya
akwaruri wagamba cha Rasta Dog. Of course interview ne kujora mu Rasta Dog mwanga mwikiriza kubani wari
so it is just about connection. Ukamanya choko in the church for. Do you have good music? Which studio do you go to? Ukuwati kawaza radio. Ukagambira umuntu ngwana koroa alfa Bruno. Yana jira.
Ubiro kwinji tebakurira. Wamujoti no ikabonekesha ngoro cause tukutandikana nawe gambye utamana. artist yomweshongotse kandi kokika radio station ninga TV ngucheshongoro chikorire Tom Alpha ngumpereza so ata norangu brand niyo yaraba speed
ati na Alpha yenyine brand kandi brand
so already an artist oine kumanyane bantu cyabo kirekora nabo
and ekindi abeshongozi they win patience akubati ekinkumanya Alpha Music erinezo mu myaka nka 8 yeah so brand grows yetsen wareba Reggie myaka wareba T-Paul ari myaka kamukaka wareba auko bakusinga nibagira ngo Isaiah no he has been there wareba Rasta Dog yaiko myaka 5 kubari big brand so nchecho nanye I'm still young as a brand so by the time you grow notandikota how do you set up something so the way you set up is how you start what and connection chiri poor very poor really ekindi when kwezura ako abashongoza kusingo mu Western Uganda akuma kweshongora na is just naenda kuba celeb
nanya bandebe wati
so that's why it is hard for us to have many brands in abantu nibiza kandi bashesha bari abakozereki that's why our fans can't receive us because they know we are always joking we are bringing people to joke around who are not serious
because they are not giving us
quality so but quality is there in the region oshanga ntomuntu ya preferring gukora cyeshongo cyemtwareta kize cyemtwarasha machene atoshanga ndi brand yawe iwe no disimbiraho now me I'm not looking at Western Uganda only but I'm looking at the whole Africa, the whole world. That's why my brand is running quickly machene ikutekereza
omweni ndumuka ndeba JK is the beat boy ekishongoro kiri Kampala ntizana anyibuza there are some producers aba myaka 10 bari mbara ekishongoro TV West nikitera hwizo barimo mu kwezi so ati nyebuza how can someone make a brand ningashi okashanga ngo wakaye can be pushed kugira ngo yikukwe hone kano ndijo ko nabasa kuba nachebuza yes urumno tugambira connections and whatever but abana nibatuja ninge ngambo
connections aho kubati onoshanga yashongoza kusingo abari mbara bakutera bagenzura wane simu bagenzura wabawa mchana why they are looking for quality mchana and the quality that has also even been here so yaeza akagena kwa ni simu dena noreo akareba ngumbara yonka JK's kati machana why because we brand ourselves very well. Without a brand in Jireje, no one is going to work with you. No one is going to support you. Actually. So you either release good work or bad work. So me, the way I brand myself, first of all, I research, I want to learn. Nchenga kare mani nyeta Bruno mjira mzee ya akakayanga so nakega kama nataka hati na nyembandi yo ninza level yati yaba Kampala hati naba Kampala nabo tinku bene nyenda level ya bachenga
Africa
so we don't dream small njechukuru and when you want to be big first be big with yourself, be big in your heart. When abana binitima so wabo initima you can't be a brand. That is the fact. And if you become a brand one day one time
so tuchiriana JK's the beat boy katuria Alpha Music no twakora show yitu yeri izoba mwe bari gumanya tureba mwe bari kutajera kandi nyongera kubagambira ntumwija aha Alpha Music mwiyo quality in fact ikintu kibakoronda Kampala bamwe nibadisiga guki kure kibini nekibakura ta in fact nyo umutima gwanje n'banjanye
parent
yes aba Kampala baruga bija hati baba kune kibakoronda kuri ni brand yitu umuntu gamba konka nitube nyina bine kweyombekera ki brand yitu kajisya
Umanya life is a lesson. Ni steps.
Yeah.
Tokubasa kurugaida rero ukagurukeri ukazari noba wasiga a lot of gaps, a lot of classes. That's why you study from P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. So what anjira study enche rozaya ndivyo mpora funaka sente mpora ukaika level ya alpha music. Yes, no izokora bitu wagira ati mweni steraga ikamba nzo mu alpha manze mbore cha talent then noisha kandi toine waka story prepared no cha toine ka experience. So sometimes nebintu byo kwiga mpora n'ubugumikiriza.
So amurebi witu what artist ningo ryo mwishongozi before coming to studio, prepare yourself, make sure that you're ready to go for studio. Welcome studio, be disciplined. Obwe nimbitema kujega twagamba obyona no basa kuba utakura ku picking. Be disciplined, welcome kwatagana na producer washanga. And then make sure that wamwegeraho byinjo jero techishongoro kunaiza kuchikora ntiti. Akubana omwishongozo uri kurugayati akumanya cyeshongoro kunda kiyakite ocumutera sima zo mukanaka.
No manti ba upcoming bine byeshongoro kuchiza beshongoro abeshongoro z'abaru. No shanga upcoming aine album yabeshongoro ashatu na mukaga kandi byona nabita hit. Ati nyebuza abacho mu industry twine byeshongoro ashatu na mukaga hit. Wache. So sometimes you have to know when you want to kamanya cyo rino zakora what you want. How are you going to release your music? How are you going to market your music? And the chindi, the market. The market na yoni nkuru. Aho kuba market yanje te yawe. Market ya T-Paul te ya Rastago. Wachenga. So you have to know abantu abori yo no eshongo. Wachenga. Aho kuba bafani ba Rastadogo ba different aba T-Paul. So namanya cyo gukora na T-Paul namanya cyo gukora. No shanga tibakora ki tibakora idinga kandi Rastadogo tarayizire akwenda kubanga T-Paul
akija kurekeye
akeza naenda kweshonga ka Rastadogo wachenga hata bakusinga cyakiziro cyabo naiza kwenda kweshonga ka Kaizi naenda kweshongora ka Beazini naenda kweshongora ka no bamanya beshonga so shanga nti yare hata romeshongozo wanzize naenda kweshonga ka Tetaria na mjiro yo mwana no mjuru umwana na shongore nti wachenga so
umwana jati nyunyinda nyishongore ku
ka Tetaria ati Tetaria we ari umurengore niwe na kwizoryo
kororwawe korukombeke kintu kandi wanocombeka notandika nabawe abo inaho abakuryo mu rubazo. Yes, Jake is webare kumano webare kuganira nito kandi webare kutambara nito murebi bitu wankore media otebwa ngo by the way Jake is I know Beazina said I have there a charity BD and a charity birthday party. Birthday Angel.
I was wondering I went so kine birthday myakesho. Atu wafuna sente.
So tukujira ngo imyakesha tuyona mbintaka ebire binazarirwe bitakarabiro bibene bika but nyonye nekintu cyengufeeling I know nimanye mbere inakuriremo. So aruha abana aha street aho mbarabi nkubaninda bo nkaraba byo mu mbera n'umununga. And my thought was like, let me help them. I celebrate my birthday party with them. We give them, we help them. Omonte chaine ntara arabe nataone kubera hobero bibiri orwakasha to next week 2nd June.
In fact ne kuberi after launch
at
Treehouse Africa.
By the way no kutugambira onato. So abantu mwena baryokwe whoever is there wishes and feels like helping those kids, you come be part of us. No asa kurete cyo inobo mwenda. Remember ekintu cyo kusimuza ninge cyo kuza kunago mwana na wasa kucheshweka. Omwana na wasa kucheshwara ari kuzapata.
Nibyo kuriye bitukuti.
Ibyo kurya no bijya ukiza ututincyenda kukiryo tinaga. Konko mwana harasiba. So neti tukibimunonga you help oba tikujangu oine kubo ine sente nyinjo kwate miliyoni nambo tita. Kandi tikujangu nyo kukiteka teka nyine sente zintuza kuba. No, I said with my little voice but somehow yanimba kiza ukacyaba bana. Abantu bona banyihinguriza bakumanya Jekeza bakumanya brand yona ya Alpha Music. Whoever is there, you come, you help me, be with me, we support those kids. And don't forget on 1st June to come.
About 1st June, Treehouse Africa is founded by me, and really it started 2 years ago. Eriomo South Africa, Gatanchibwa JK's Mbara. It is a record label management. I would say no man can't account as of Alpha Music. So because 2 years ago, Mpora no took managing Rasta Dogo, Area, Avant Version was doing model, doing DJs, Kevin, so bad dancers in so one and dancer on video yawe notera Treehouse one and Vixen one and Vantonka ba model one and show yawe shamere one and bintu bingi man then one and Nkarasta Dogo notera Treehouse.
Yes, JK is we bari kureta kintu ketu kandi turimo tuwirira kuhendera of course twantugamba music nat but inechina yenda JK is ugambe since you came into this western industry music yitu ya western hariho change tufunira mu change of music like before enyuma hwaho mbwira buba akaroba sister charity ba sister charge that regime bakija batera for some good years hija wevu ya roigi yoni megaton tubetaka bwine ndije wevu yo kututerera not until JK's came in with a different music because the music it went tambura over ya Bruno. That is the truth. Umuntu kabe na horeche shonguru cha Bruno tu akagoma keka horeche shonguru kibonire mgetu beturobira but not until JK's came in with this style of music yarimo natirira JK's natirira shonguru orachindukire kibonire
cyo kubanza buri producer ine touch ye uyo mine touch ye osha na koleche shongoro tiyongeri hero wa massive ara stera pana na kustera njeri ye achena. So it is different touches buri mine njeri kwata so na nyenkiza na touch yanje na jiruwai and the good thing itwaha Alpha Music touch zona tuzini area JK's arone ya Bruno so twine full package wiza tubasa no kuzigita
ati bazigita unaruga mufaya
naruga mufaya atinete so cyachukuru
mama nico mukutiza onashiyo buri kimwe cyaruguma Alpha ni hit cyaruga in good music atkwira kwendera JK's hariho akaburo kamwe kunanyenda uhereze industry yitu ya Western Uganda trad tinkwe ndugamba umwishongozo to producer twena hamwe from fan to someone who does art.
When you talk about someone who does art first of all ni shaba bantu kwatagani tarezi mu industry neze cyane so kwatagani let us support each other uriya umushongozi yashoza project push for him nawe nakoraje nana kuna pushinjira so because me I always share work for different producers because it is good now recent nichironje nikoraje sharing so let us share that music, let us love our artists, let us even love back our fans nabeshongozi mukunde ba fan van because the other time people gave back to the fans about Valentine's Day. You remember? Yeah. So mention to go back to the fans to Kawasima. Watch Tera or Tebaba and Tabua because they made pull off the ladder. Yes. So in Church Kuru and the Chinta Kwasa Kuywa na Isaka Burukanje itsinda kubaza kureba 1st June. Don't forget to come and be with us, everyone.
Yes, ntuza kuba turi mukai
tukuba turi shooters entrance free no kuri nyama no kuri nkoko mbenu.
we work. So make sure that you come and attend, make sure that you come and be with us on launching Treehouse.
Yes, and by the way, mwebali kutukunda, mwebali kunda JK's, mwebali kunda Alpha Music Entertainment, mwebali kutukunda na sound witu, byona mbwe. Jantu yontonjira mu.
JK's ntujaganira niwe interview ya one-on-one. This was a talk about music. Ntubasa kujikora tubasa kunga tukuza ku ngeno Rasta Dog utarabure ubatwendera batitwende. Twenda kumanya obatumubinga. Rasta Dog ukakoresha ngo cyecha inama na DJ Shi. Icyeshongore cyo kikija kita.
Icyeshongore cyo
noza no kucituterera muhari tucerere.
It was a very good song that tukacheza time nyingi tukaba producer ba then chika chire cha Rasta Dog personally, so tuweza na reba album yomukuru namtera okwa is my friend. We even share a name, so we are too close to that extent. So now I'm suggesting guy kid can do something.
I get
so we got a chance for it to be on the album.
Album yes we can.
Shaiza ringani yoke shaiza.
Rasta Dog ampereza kumureba a comedy store.
When yaruga comedy store naza New York yarugayo agaruce mbara mukasasa kurambura abantu
yaruga mukasansa iza hankore media baramusiga. Yes we bare then turumuntu rero kwenda JK's in hits nyinji twenda otweyo hits nkita nezo kujota I love this song. I made it
tukuzite azana ziria
sampling then otebwa kututera instrument yeteshongure cha tipo icyeshongore cy'imuri
kimuri nico ndabanza nacho.
Yes, these are best 5 hit songs of JK's ezaye korire iwo murebe witu we bari kubanitwe otiri ya program yo mwerato kandi ndikora ndi Beazin nkora na Sky Nana twajikora Alpha Music twakora na JK's The Beat Boy. These are 5 hit songs from JK's. Ijuko ria kamera ndio mweta Off Savage.
Me with your money rose now the queen and the complete. Aba bare cheva ganga it's alright. Kuba ni wawenka I'm loving. I feel it. I'm a make sugar when I read it. I'm a matima grande I need it. Kuba ni wawenka I'm loving. Nabande newe. Oh makundo runanye. Baby kamba tubimara kushobora kumutine iwe wabari nange umukunwa ndiwe reka baby kamba tubimara kushobora kumutine take it hard to embrace you think it go back to love you arakuma ariwe my only one pakariye Shiva Kunda, you smile.
Yes, song number 3. We are counting down. Song number 3.
Yes, I
Dog, Uganda.
256 Big Doctor. DJ Shield. Rasta Dog. Let's go.
Inama imuka agana masisi gakwenda nagasite uyu wasite inama imuka agana masisi gakwenda nagasite uyu wasite
MC Lisa.
Mukara wechanga abirabere aguna makabirabere abirabere aguna makabirabere abirabere aguna makabirabere abirabere
shaka Kademu katera kenda kushaka Namba tiku chimanya na kaku Mkaka chira timboba dasha shori daku Baba tini ngambira mbiru jahau Sindi kaka senti abikora mbisi jahau Kasha nani kenchi nimbu rani twiri ho But she talk to me man, it got me thinking she a hoe. Let me be your commando. Commando.
I'll be
yeah. The titties I tell you what's on my mind. You got me wrapped around your arms. Okandunga mana yo spell. Ono suba we mchela na mapela. Botolo papora okata hakapenda. And rap this feeling.
Imoguru nyobuka sirira. Oh baby, ojeri kwanzala ngachika nyanguhira. Muanga waneri kanyanga kwa. Wenna bakandinga kwa. Baby, I like it when you sing for me. Sing for me, baby, sing for me, yeah. I like it when you dance for me. Dance for me, baby, dance for me.
Let me be your commando. Commando.
I'll be a ninja. Your sexy ninja.
This was the best. Yes, we sign out. Yes, we sign out.
It is time to work. No time to party. It is time to work. No time to party.
Yes, abarevitu bashow hito y'umwirato and Beazin Zedja will sign out for now. This was the best song from Rasta Dog and it was done by JK's niwe twatambara nawe rizoba tuganira music bice bitwaganira nshoba iziri numuza kutusasira we are human beings nikwecheje ntubashabo kugumana mu following JK's the beat boy following Beazin Zedja following Alpha Music following Rasta Dog following Off Savage niwe yari ya kamera hito JK's
Nina abashimira reka nimba kunda munonga cyo kubanza muterwa followinga Facebook na Instagram na Twitter niko isa producer wambara Instagram JK's the beat boy, Facebook JK's the beat boy and na YouTube Snapchat niko seya mkazi wa nsoma
kandi mobile
money by the way no nyenda you can call me on this number 075604985
Don't forget to send their money to get his real names.
Real names ni kuwaeleza mazina.
Karim, we sign out. We were Off Savage.
Nimbahura Yola stado nimbahura Nebirukunga mgoho nimbahura Nimbahuri mweba pipa Nimbahura